How to take Dine-In order. In this video, you will see how to place a Dine-In order in our system. First of all, tap the Dine-In button. Select the table and input your password. Pick up the guest number, then place the order. On the left-hand side is the category column that you can select according to your order taken. Now you can select the order item. By double-clicking the item, it will increase the quantity. Or you can click the number to add the quantity. If you click the price, then the quantity will be reduced. For example, if you have any special order, just tap the dish name. It will pop up Modify Interface. Let's say your customer needs the order to be more spicy. Just click Add button, Flavor, and Spicy, and press Enter to send the order to the kitchen. To learn more about using your KwickPOS, watch our other videos or go to support.kwickpos.com.